Let me show you how to wear any clothes you want without spending a dime. So the first thing you want to do is to go to Pinterest. Okay, so once you go to Pinterest, then you will start searching for the picture of the outfit you love. You understand? It can be on someone, it can be just on hanger, it can be anything. Just look for a random image of a clothes you will really like to replicate. So let me look for an image of clothes that fits or my taste or something I would love to use. So just pick randomly. Okay, this is one. And I think I like this one. So I like it. See the lace. Everything is just, I like it. So I feel like we should try something like this. So now we'll come to ChatGPT and we will now, this is what we're going to do. So we will now use this image to create a prompt. So I already have a prompt to generate a prompt that I'll be using to get this same. Okay, so I'm going to drop this prompt for ChatGPT, drop the clothes and tell ChatGPT to create a prompt. Any prompt I'm going to be getting from ChatGPT with this prompt will be the description, the perfect description of this outfit. Do you understand? So there's another way if you want to get the same fit, the same way the clothes is. But in this video, I actually want to get something close. My intention is to get something close because sometimes if you want to like mimic clothes or if you want to like try something that somebody already wears, you might want to like have a tweak or something to it. But now, as let's see, so it's already generating. So let's see the outcome. So okay, so then we've gotten the description of the clothes. First, the first thing I did is to describe it. First, describe the clothes. First, describe the fabric. It described the fit. It described the neckline. It described everything. It described the sleeves. Yes. Describe the sleeves of the clothes. Yes. Upper arm fullness, cuff, wrist fit, gathering. Describe everything that has to do with the clothes. The skirt and hem. And when we're talking about skirt and hem, it doesn't mean the clothes are skirts. Yes. If you like into fashion, you know the down part of a clothes is called skirt. Regardless, even though it's gown, the down part is always still called skirt. Yes, a full gown now it has a body. Body is the upper part of the clothes. Then skirt is the down part of the clothes, even though it's not skirt and top. Regardless. So now this is our outcome. The prompt itself. Do you understand? So this is the prompt. So the next thing I want to do is to copy it. Yes, copy everything and then take it down to Whisk AI. So I'm using Whisk and I'm using another AI in this video. So I want us to compare the results we are going to be getting from Whisk and the results we are going to be getting using another AI. So now the prompt I generated from ChatGPT, I'm going to drop it with Whisk and I'm going to like I'm not going to drop the clothes. I'm just going to drop the the prompt. But this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go so that you know I've already thought about Whisk before. So you go to add image and you look for your for your own picture. Look for a clear picture of yourself. So you might want to look for something full so that the whole clothes will show and everything. So now I picked a picture of myself that is full. So that is full and I'm going to use it to generate it. After adding my image now, so I will paste my prompt. That prompt is generated through ChatGPT. This is the prompt. So what next I'm going to do is say ultra realistic fashion photography of a woman. No, now I already have the woman, so I will just delete that part and I will write change our dress to an oversized A-line. Do you understand what I did there? What I did there is that first part say ultra realistic image of a woman, and me, I'm already the woman. I already have my image, so I deleted that part and I just say change address. Then I let the all right and continue. At the last part here, I wrote retain a look without touching it. Just to be clear with AI, what's it called? AI can be very, very funny. Before you know that, it will give you another person entirely. So I just have to like make sure that he knows what I'm talking about. So I tell AI to retain my look, only change the outfit. So emphasis on saying that thing. So that is not generated as part of our image, but I did that. Can you now see our result is here? Our result is here. So now you take my hair, you take my, or there's something I noticed here. Oh, my On the clothes, from the image I use, his jacket and top. His jacket and inner, like a black inner. So the inner is still reflecting in this. But I feel it's cool because normally I feel this open chest down, and that is covering it. So now another thing I want to do is let's try with another image. Let's see what we are going to get. So I want to like try with another image. So this is another picture of mine. You know how to add image, so I've shown you before in previous video. So you add your image and it's the same way you put it here, same way. So the same thing, so we generated it and this is the result we get. So it did not I put that same thing, retain my look, only change the outfit. I use that same I edited it same way, and this is my look. You can see this is my exact look. So this is my face, this is how I look in this image. And now let me show you how I look in the one they created. See, nothing changed, nothing moved. My hair is the same, my glasses is the same, my face is the same, everything is intact. So everything is intact. The only thing that changed is the garment. Can you see that now? Can you see that? So it gives me my exact face. It didn't change anything about me. It's just that this chest that opened up, we can manage. So this is another one. So Whisk always give you two images. Whenever you are generating with Whisk, you will always get two images. So the second image came out this way. So is that one is not opening chest down. So I feel like I prefer that over the first one. There is opening chest. These are the two of them. So I prefer this. I love this. So now I want us to check the fit. What do we think about the clothes? Don't you think is actually what we order? In fact, I feel like it looks more realistic. Yes, I won't even lie. It looks more realistic, and I love the fact that it's not depicting exact. It's not showing it's not exact. What's it called? Image or what we are trying to mimic is. Do you get? So now another AI I want us to use Gemini AI. So we'll come to Gemini AI. You go to your browser, either Chrome, anything. So you press on your Gemini AI. So it leads me to their website, and this is it. So you see that same prompt is what we're going to use. So now let's drop our image. So I'm still going to use the same image because I want to compare my results. That is why I'm going to do that. So I'm still going to use the same image that I used for that for Whisk on this as well. So I'm using the same image so that I'm trying to like compare it. I want us to like choose the one that we feel like is more accurate. Do you get? So another reason I'm doing that is because I don't want us to like use Whisk alone, because I don't want us to like feel like yeah. So I deleted that part that says ultra realistic anything. So I changed it to change our dress the same way I did in that one. Change our dress to an oversized. Yeah, do you understand? So at the down part too, I'll come back and put that retain and the outfit or clothing. So that is what I put. So I've already put the image. This is the prompt. Now the next thing for us to do is to generate it and see what we have. So let's wait for our result. Here we have it. I'm feeling the difference. Can you see the difference? I'm feeling the difference between these and between what our Whisk gave me already. You can see this lace is kind of bold, but my face is retained, my hair is retained, my hair color is retained, my jewelry is retained, my phone is retained, and everything is intact. But as you can see, the lace on the neckline of this dress is actually wider than that of this thing. But it's nothing to worry about if you ask me, because I feel like I don't want to like get the same results, like same results. I just want something unique, but something close to that. So now let's generate for that our other using our other image as well. So we drop the same prompt, we edit it the same way we edited the other time. So I'm going to drop the prompt in the description below in case you need the prompt. So the next thing is for us to generate. So while we're generating, we can just, you understand, still be checking on the old one very well. I want us to get the full, okay. Now this is the full view. You can see the down part. This actually kind of changed the look of the dress more than Wiz. I think Wiz get the look of the dress more than this get the look of the dress. You know, our intention is not to get the same result, but to get something close to that result. So now let's see what um our result is here. But why do I look big? I look bigger than my size in this one. I don't know why. My cheek is bigger. My face is wide, like wider. Yes, my head is bigger. I don't know. And I'm not even exaggerating it. So this is what Gemini. This is on Gemini. I think he will take my. Oh no, my necklace change. Yes, my necklace change. You know we can always re-edit prompts, right? You can always tell it you didn't get it and you want to get it right again, like you want to, and you tell it you didn't get it right, and you can always redo it by re-editing your prompt every time. But now I feel like I can't. This is so different because the face, yes, it's actually changed my look. Yes, it changed the look of my face. It changed the outfit is the lace is also wider. The outfit is actually it's okay, but actually I can't still compare it to what Whisk gave. I won't lie. So this, I think let's compare it. Let me go to Whisk back. So see what I got in Whisk. Very close to the design. The lace is not too wide. Everything looks almost close to, everything looks, yeah, it looks so close to what we are bidding for, what we submitted, the prompt we submitted, and it got everything right. My necklace, everything is intact. It's except from the fact that he retained my what's it called, inner ear. But on my other image, yeah, I feel like he got it more accurately. If you check on Gemini, see, same image, my face is big, like I'm more concerned about, yes, and there's a way it tweaks my lips. But let's just compare that image. Come back to Whisk. See it. My face is accurate. Yes, it's the way it should be. No extra, no extra fat. But and even on the first one I generated, I retained my inner. It's actually still accurate. So we got it right. I love the way it is. Yes, I love the way it is, and it's very, very, I can't love it less. It's actually very wonderful. I love this. It gives everything I wanted to give. Honestly, but especially my face. I know I'm repeating it, but especially my face. Like it's actually got my look. It did not change anything about the way I look, and that is what I feel like is wonderful. I'm not saying one is better. One AI is better than one AI, but I'm just comparing my results, and I feel like maybe if we reprompt our Gemini, we'll get something more accurate than the one we got now. AI is not something that you just give prompts and you just forget about it just like that. AI is something that you can always reprompt. Like you can see what I'm talking about, and the outfit is kind of looking too thick than what we gave to it, and it didn't really get my face. The first one, it got my face, but the lace is wide, and we can definitely reprompt that too and things like that. So that is by the way by research. So I'll be going for my results with Whisk. I think I love that. I really love it. See how accurate it looks. See my face. See the results, see the outfit, see everything. It gives everything it needs to give, and I love it. I love the feel. I love the fact that it doesn't look so repetitive like copy and paste. It looks real. Yes, so and my ego. I'm repeating this. It really got my face, it got my look, it got everything, and I love the second image. But for Gemini, it's actually okay, but the fact that it kind of changed my look, that is what I was concerned about. If you find this helpful, please like, share, and drop your thoughts below. I will see you in the next one.